Welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about intervals. So what is an interval? It is just how far apart the notes are from one another on the keyboard. So here's our keyboard again. So let's start with C. From C to D is a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so 1 to 2 is going to be a second. 1 to 3 is a third. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. And right here is going to be called an octave. We don't necessarily call it an eighth, we call it an octave. We know oct means 8, so it's octave. So let's see how it looks on the staff. Here we have a second, just one note apart from each other. Third, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and our octave. Okay, so when we're counting out an interval, we start with the first note as number 1. So that F right there, where the 1 is, that's our first. And we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and our octave. So F to F, that's our octave. Okay, so now here we have a third, a 5th, and a 7th. These are our odd intervals. And as you will notice, our odd intervals are going to be both on spaces or both on lines, moving from a space to a space or a line to a line. And our even intervals, our 2nd, 4th, 6th, and octave, are going to be on a line and a space, or a space and a line. So like the 2nd is on F and G, so that's a space and then a line. And the next one, our 4th, is a line to a space, and so forth. And that's it for intervals. So just to recap, intervals are just how far apart the notes are from one another. And it's important to understand, to be able to see that and understand that, because it can increase your note reading ability and you can be able to learn how to start reading notes faster. Because I've noticed with my students, whenever I have them think in intervals rather than the notes, they don't have to think about every single note. They can just visually see what the notes are doing. Like, are they stepping up from one another, or is there just a skip, just one note in between? So that means that's that note. That's easy. So next time we will talk about tied notes. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe so that you can know when my videos are coming out. And then check out my website so that you can check out my arrangements. And I will see you next time. Be excellent to each other.